So in this video, let's discuss in Big 4 for tax job. What are the Excel tools we use frequently to do our job? See, 90% of our job revolves around Excel. Okay, there are different Excel sheets which company has prepared with extra tools. Okay, whatever Excel which you use on your laptop, that is MS Excel, okay, that has the limited features, but company has collaborated with the Excel, okay, MS Office, and they have bought a new features for their use. Okay, so there are different tabs also which is extra in our work life. Okay, in Excel we use lot of work paper, all the M packages and everything of data which we analyze, that is done on the Excel only, with the extra level of coding and extra level of formulas and all. Okay, that we don't have to worry about because they are going to give each and everything. We just have to apply our mind, okay, to the on the data set. Okay, so basic things you should learn is all the shortcuts are for your benefits, and h lookup, v lookup, and all kind of lookups. If you learn, then that will be very useful for you. It will help you to work fastly. Anyways, they are going to teach you each and everything, so you don't have to worry about. You can have the basic idea of Excel and you can join the company. All the best.